Yes, my beautiful people, Editorial mom don't reply to that woman. May I mention her name? That lady, Editorial mom, she replied to her. You know, when elderly people go sit down, they look small children. When small children, they feel say, I know it. I can handle it. I can do it. Leave me alone. Let me use my head to kick am. Let me showcase myself. Elderly people will just sit down, they look. They'll say, wetin dey do this one? Na who dey zuzu? Na who this one dey follow and dey do competi? Who be this? They will come bend. They'll say, hey, hey, like our side. They'll say, ukpa. Ukpa. Toronto. Hey. They'll say, na who dey there? The oversabilo yìí. The oversabilo hama gbe. Be like say don't quench China. Now who do one like this? They say pikin. Pikin never see anything. Woman never see anything. Pikin go see fire. The fire will just dey sweet for your eye. Go just dey sweet for your eye. You go just dey. You go get the mama say go. Your mama need to protect her because pikin no know whether fire e dey burn except you don touch am before the thing go burn. E go shout mommy my mommy go say yeah my son, yeah my daughter, the light was sweating on your face. That is what my people. Editorial mom and show love TV, they show their self love and they showcase that advisor. If you never watch that my videos, yeah, I beg go watch am. I shut a lie, so who did they advise? He replied by share the video. I say, now wait till I dey see abi my eye they deceive me. I think more grandma gift. Person they advise you. Who thinks say she know it all? Oga Sabino, now Oga, yes, mommy. What are you doing, madam? I'm advising you. Wait till I dey see me when I sit down when I be small pikin. If you will climb upstairs, mama, grandma, you will not see it. So you better respect yourself. Grandma suffer for the. See now who they zuzu? Now who they do be that? Who be those commenters? Hey, I know not finish you, my people. I was shutterized when I see grandma. Grandma replied by sharing the video. Hey, my people, share a content creator. Let me show you guys. Now I know that some people go say na lie. So they will carry me go. I was shocked when I say now my eye dey deceive. My people, I was shakalized as grandma don receive the advice Luhamagbe. As grandma receive the advice now she reply her by sharing the our show love mommy TV channel, our auntie. Now they see am. I will screenshot and go put am. I go screenshot and go put am. Now I say may I go trace the oversabi when sabi talk to people as she wants. I know it all. Grandma gift, ma. Now your sister best. Now your daughter bestie. Your daughter bestie. You see us like enemy for your daughter. I say, face your business if you want to showcase yourself. He said, no, I was shutterlized. When I say, this person, when they talk so, this person, me be seeing like say, nah, me I be following, when they follow me, I can find out, say, hey, the one where you take there, not be the one where people take there. Now another level you take come. Now another level you take come out. I find the thing announcer. I say, now my eye, they deceive me. I type the name when I want. Show love TV, it break come out. I type her because I don't first see her for one corner. Hey, I don't first see her for one corner. Hey, I don't first see that showcase for one corner. I not see him again. I say maybe na my eye dey deceive just because he advise grandma gift. Now the channel go just go down just like that. Channel supporting editorial. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. Just leave her. Yeah. Now they say small pikin see wetin pass her. Now e pick crazy. I dey come before I go talk and finish. Me I first show na evidence. I was shutterlized, my people. When I see say, grandma gift, you know who answer. Then he just give am woto. I was surprised. They say this thing is not in fact it's not exist. I hope una can read it. Wo ẹjọ́ ẹ gbà mí o, fi mí lẹ̀ ẹjọ́ o. They say this video has been removed by the upload. I was shutterlized. What did I really do you? I don't do you anything. We are here to support Editorial, to give who wrong, to give who right. I was tell her that is grandma just will flap you like this and you disappear. You disappear. In fact, you dis. Ha! No, na fear elderly people. Elderly people, when there was the people, parable people, read talk and say, wait till elderly person go sit down, they see. You, the small pikin, you was, in fact, you climb 20-story upstairs. You know, see am. I was shortalized. I use different, you know now, you know that as a content creator now, I know why they deliberate on this issue, man. I know why. I was shortalized. I say, what? I say, wah. I say, now who? I say, now who? Another account. I say, disparu. Ha! Sure love mommy. See, no fight who not look for you. You don't know when you take use your two shoe. Carry your two shoe, come on for leg. Put on for here, you pick crazy. You know, they'll say, who they pursue you? You will say, leave me, oh. Nobody. I can't tell you to advise people. I can't tell you they carry people, they go. Bulala there. Give them goto. Automatic just this it shortalize me of my people. May I still type? I don't want to mention the name. Me. Yeah, Naija Daughter. Because I don't know you for anywhere. Why you go just carry people? Just because of say you dey fight for person. If you want fight for person, not be like that. People when they talk their own opinion. Why can't you talk your own opinion? Then your own na to bulala people. In fact, I don't search am. Search am. I no wan measure am. Who come across this my video, you go know who I dey talk. Set of people they clap am for am. Devil is sort theirself for there. I not do you anything. Now you still say as you take do Naija Daughter. You take do the remaining reactor. You do this woman a widow. You know what it be widow? Widow. When you don't take care of your children, you just scratch her head. You say, let me go fight her. Not be she fight you now, her God now fight you. Then now, wait the channel. When you supposed to do your thing, drop your opinion. If you they look, you say you want open channel. My advice go like this. You say you want open channel. You want to react. You are free to do react. Drop your own opinion. But not they insult other people who drop their own opinion. Not they look other people like say they be bad person. I take this editorial when you say you put for head now. When you say now your bestie, when she even mention your name for her channel, you even ask me. You say where I belong, where you belong. Editorial mom don't place you now. Mama, where you belong? I don't know you. Me, I welcome you as a sister, as one person. One sister, one sister say, okay, you open channel. Maybe I know who say that the wrong pattern now you take command. I was shortalized, but widow don't place you now. Now let's see to many content creators. When they want to become a content creator, you want to become a reactor. Don't react because of say, hey, I want to favor this part. No, stand your stand and no be plain. If you see the truth, talk am. If people who say, some people who say, na lie you dey lie, you know say na the truth you dey true. But not by carry one person just dey insult and just because of say he talk one person. Just because of say mention this person for her channel, he drop your opinion. If you know one like as I talk and if you are free to carry me to your channel to deliberate on it. If you see say they no talk anything, no talk anything on social media, not bring anything come out for social media. If anybody, anything not the social media, they better carry and come on social media. You get right to sue that person because you not bring and come on social media. But anything not the social media, people get right to react to it. Okay, video if you never know, tap on say how to use other people video. Is it right to use other people to create video? YouTube go suggest a lot of video for you. Now you just carry me. You go lavish yourself. If I do video, sit down video, then open yourself. We don't ever see you. You go fight widow. Show love TV, you go fight her. You know say that widow when you don't train children for school. What if that woman don't see? You never see half quarter. May God not let you see half quarter. May God not let us see half quarter. What if she don't see? Her husband die. Only she want to train children. That kind of woman, you know who fits assistant. You go grandma kitchen. Grandma, wait here. You and grandma who senior. My people, grandma in reply by sharing Show Love TV the video. Share her to our community. Dirty thing like you, they advise me. Do you know me? A learned woman like that. Woman who gets school. Who be teacher. Mix. You just carry it because I know how to type. I was shortalized. Oh. I not see the again. Now that one really shortalized. I say, widow, they get power. Oh. May una be careful. May una know who na they fight. Oh. Widow, they get power. Die. They're like this. They are like this. They're not the setup. Now God, the setup for them. I suffer dey my own. They do my content. They react to wetin I wan react to. They carry me go bulala me. Na widow, mama na widow too. Na it's all free. Their heads join together. Wetin my daughter dey do you? My daughter dey do her own. Face your own now. Now that channel disparole. You understand what the meaning of disparole now? Disappear. Abeg wake am back. Grandma, your case sweet oh. Hey grandma, I'm loyal oh. Hey, I'm loyal humble. Grandma gift your case strong oh. You just replied to her by sharing the video. In fact, you shut her like, but you do like, I say, now who they did? He say, now me grandma, this girl want to use me. She say, now the editorial, your room they show. Editorial, not they show them your room. Editorial video is coming very soon. I'm loading editorial video. Maybe now this grandma reply to that commenter. Now go fed drop. Hey, it don't show another one. Na grandma gifting. Na it dey my channel today. It don't set another one. Na grandma kitchen. Na it dey my channel today. Oh, this one sweet me. When I see the video, I say no. I need to talk about it in my channel. I need to talk in my channel. That's why I carry am. Oh, they pay. Go to your channel. Not drop me hate. Come if you drop, I know because I dey see you now. I dey see you now with one eye. I dey double close my eye. I will pass. My beautiful people, if you never subscribe to Naija Daughter TV, subscribe. But we are here for love, for peace, for truth, not before hate, not before biting. We are here for the truth. Yes, we move. If you want to become a content creator of reactor, no say this because let me go fight this particular reactor. Say that big YouTuber. You are your own. Stand on your stand. Day your day. If na fun you want to use and do like my own. This one. If na gbas go say na you dey. If na shoke. Do your own. Not do the one say let me impress this big YouTuber so that I will be a favorite. You are your own. They will say if they welcome you now. That case when they take the business, maybe na you go worse pass. They no welcome you. Oh, I no go welcome you to my house. So please try and fight for yourself. This street is right.